Technology is a really important factor in the condo industry, especially because there are so many tasks to be done within the industry itself. So taking care of a building, the residents that live there, all the things that go on in a building. So technology in general has helped improve the time that's taken to do all of these tasks. So that's a good thing. Well, one of the biggest trends that I noticed, just because of what I do, is the trend to put monitors, like television screens. They're not televisions, but they are monitors. So LED screens inside elevators, and especially within the car operating panel itself. So this is a big trend. There's a lot of condos that are getting mod jobs, and that's where they will put them. Another trend is to put the screens into parking levels, P1 and P2. This is especially important for, say, townhomes where they don't have elevators, obviously, so a screen might not work there. Computers have obviously made things a lot easier for everyone in every industry, but especially in the property management one. Email, you can communicate a lot better with people. Different advances, for sure, energy efficiencies. So the fact that there's technology that can help you control the lights, and have it work in conjunction with the sunshine. Those are huge tools that have saved, thousands and thousands of dollars for condos, so that's always important. Elevator technology has changed and is changing. You don't have to wait so long now. There's some super high towers in downtown Toronto especially, where that certainly makes a difference to have something that's a high-speed elevator. For townhomes, there's different things. Software has come into play in an awful lot of cases. Property management software, where a manager can interact with all the different people and components that are happening. Status certificates, that's another one that's a software that's come along so that people don't have to wait so long. They can order a status certificate online. So these are things that make life easier both for people buying condos and the people that work in them. With the speed of technology, there's always going to be improvements whether you like it or not. It doesn't stop. So I think what can be improved though is the acceptance of technology within the industry. I think there's still a little bit of a fear. Managers are extremely busy people, but more and more board directors and managers are coming to realize that perhaps hiring out to get IT help or communications help, those sort of things is something that they're considering. So that's where the growing trend of getting people to help you, whether it's getting an IT person, just as people and condo directors, they hire out lawyers, they hire out engineers, they hire out accountants, so too are they starting to hire out IT, communication specialists, that kind of thing, to help them with their jobs, which I think is very important and a good trend. That's a good thing.